Microdosing psilocybin means taking very small, subperceptual doses of psychedelic mushrooms, typically 1/10 to 1/20th of a full dose. The intention isn't to trip or hallucinate. It's to gently shift your baseline, supporting focus, creativity, emotional clarity, and inner balance over time. Most people microdose every third day following a structured protocol. The effects are subtle, but for many, they build into powerful change. Studies and personal reports suggest that microdosing may help reduce anxiety, lift depressive symptoms, enhance creativity, and increase mindfulness. But microdosing isn't a magic pill. It's a tool, and it works best when paired with intention, integration, and self-awareness. At Sayulita Wellness Retreat, we honor both full-dose journeys and microdosing as part of a holistic healing path. Whether you're new to psychedelics or looking for structure in your healing, our free guide and integration course are here to support you. Make sure to download your free copy from the video description or our website, sayulitawellnessretreat.com. Because healing isn't about escaping reality, it's about learning how to live it more fully.